Welcome to This Explainer. Look, upgrading an operating system can honestly feel a bit like open-heart surgery on your digital life. We totally get it. But today, we're breaking down the exact steps to seamlessly migrate your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. We've combed through all the official documentation and real-world tutorials to build a clear, foolproof roadmap just for you.
Okay, let's dive right in. The very first thing we have to ask, the ultimate question that really dictates your entire approach here, is this. Are you looking to just seamlessly carry over every single file you own, or are you craving the absolute fastest, zero bloatware experience possible? Your answer to that completely determines your path today.
So, here is our game plan. 1. Upgrade or clean install. 2. Prepping for the installation. 3. The easy upgrade path. 4. Creating your bootable USB. 5. Navigating the BIOS. And 6. The clean install process.
All right, Section 1. Upgrade or clean install, the fork in the road.
This perfectly illustrates the big trade-off. An upgrade is your safe, incredibly user-friendly continuation. You press a few buttons, you wait a bit, and boom, you're in Windows 11, and your desktop background is exactly how you left it. On the flip side, a clean install, that gives you absolute maximum performance by completely wiping away years of digital junk, old corrupted files, and all those random background processes that slow your system down. It is a true fresh start, but it absolutely requires backing up your data, because it erases everything.
Now, if you're panicking about losing your family photos or having to re-download massive applications, don't worry. An in-place upgrade is specifically designed to protect your existing files. Real-world users consistently report that even heavy software, like OBS Studio or your massive video game libraries, stay perfectly intact after the upgrade. Literally, everything stays.
Moving on to Section 2, prepping for the installation. Getting your PC ready.
So, no matter which path you take, you cannot skip the prep work. The absolute most crucial step is running Microsoft's free PC Health Check app. This instantly confirms if your hardware actually meets the strict Windows 11 minimums. We're talking at least a 1 GHz processor and 4 gigs of RAM. After that, back up your data. Cloud, external drive, whatever you prefer. Whether you're doing a quick upgrade or a full clean install, power outages happen, right? Always better safe than sorry.
Now, that PC Health Check app is also going to look for something called TPM 2.0, and that stands for Trusted Platform Module. I know, more tech jargon, but basically, it's a secure crypto processor that Windows 11 absolutely requires for hardware-level security against malware. Think of it like a digital bouncer for your motherboard. If your PC doesn't have it enabled, the installation just straight up won't proceed. But the good news is, you can usually just toggle it on in your system settings.
Section 3. The easy upgrade path, keeping your files intact.
If you decided to keep all your files and settings just the way they are, this is for you. And honestly, it's amazing how simple Microsoft made this. It's basically like downloading a standard security patch. You just pop into your settings, go to Windows Update, hit check for updates, and if your PC's ready, Microsoft literally hands you a download and install button for Windows 11. You click it, let it download its 5-ish gigs, and your PC handles the rest. So easy.
But what if the health check says you're good to go, but your Windows Update screen is just stubbornly empty? Hey, it happens. Don't panic. You can just head over to Microsoft's website and grab the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. It's a tiny tool, you run it, click Accept and Install, and it safely forces that exact same upgrade process for you right in the background.
Okay, Section 4. Creating your bootable USB, the clean slate tool.
Let's look at the other side of the fork, for those of you wanting that completely fresh, high-performance system. This path takes a little more elbow grease. To do a clean install, we have to transform an ordinary USB thumb drive into a bootable Windows installer. You'll download Microsoft's free media creation tool, plug in a USB drive that has at least 8 gigs of space, open the tool, and just follow the prompts to create your installation media.
All right, I need you to pause for a second here and listen closely. Please, double-check that your USB drive doesn't have any important files on it. Seriously, the media creation tool is going to format and completely wipe everything currently on that flash drive to make room for the installer. So, move those files first.
Section 5. Navigating the BIOS. Don't panic. Next up, we need to tell your computer to actually read that newly minted USB drive before it tries to load your old Windows 10 system from the hard drive. And yes, that means entering the BIOS. I know, it looks like intimidating hacker text from some 90s movie, but you really just need to verify a few specific settings. For a successful install, make sure CSM, that's the Legacy Support Mode, is disabled. Then enable Secure Boot and TPM, and ensure your drive controller mode is set to something modern, like AHCI or NVMe. That's really it.
To get into these menus, you're going to restart your computer. The very second it turns on, you're looking for a manufacturer splash screen, and you need to quickly tap the designated key. It's usually F12, F2, delete, or escape, depending on your brand. You might literally have to mash the key a bit to catch it in time.
Once you hit the right key, boom, you're in the boot menu. From there, you simply select your new USB drive. It's usually labeled as USB HDD, or it'll literally just say the brand name of your flash drive. Select that, and the system will boot from the USB instead of your internal hard drive.
And we're at Section 6, the clean install process. No turning back.
Once that USB boots up, the familiar Windows logo pops up, and you are officially at the Windows setup screen. Honestly, congratulations, because you've made it through the hardest part. From here, you just click through the initial language and keyboard prompts. Oh, and a quick tip, when it asks for a product key, just click I don't have a product key to skip it for now. If your PC was previously activated with Windows 10, Windows 11 is smart enough to digitally activate itself later once you connect to the internet.
Now, right here is where you make a critical choice. The screen asks what type of installation you want. You must actively click the Custom Install Windows Only option. This tells the installer, hey, I don't want to salvage the old operating system. Give me a truly fresh, clean slate.
And this is the point of no return. You're going to see a list of your drives and partitions. To do a proper clean install, you need to click on every single existing partition on your target drive and hit delete. Yep, absolutely all of them. Delete, delete, delete. Eventually, you'll be left with just one single block of unallocated space. Select that unallocated space, hit next, and the installation officially begins.
Now, you can actually go, grab a cup of coffee, the PC is going to copy files and automatically restart itself a few times. Eventually, you'll be greeted by what Microsoft calls the OOBE, the out-of-box experience. This is the fun part where you get to connect to your Wi-Fi, sign into your account, and personalize your lightning-fast, brand-new system.
So, with all that technical jargon totally decoded, you have the exact blueprint to migrate successfully. The only thing left to do is decide, which path are you taking? The seamless upgrade or the fresh start of a clean install? But remember, upgrading is really just the beginning. Now that you have the performance and security of Windows 11, what are you going to build with its new AI Copilot tools and gaming enhancements? Keep exploring, keep building, and I will see you in the next explainer.